Hello and welcome to Polystitch English channel. Look at these beautiful 7 flowers blooming on my orchid. They're so beautiful. And okay, so today I had a lot of fabrics. Such a variety of unnecessary fabrics can be found probably in every woman's closet. Here I have fabrics from good clothes, then fabrics in small scraps, then fabrics that cannot be used in patchwork, remnants of a cut, ripped things, and so on. I don't know where to use them, and it's a pity to throw them away. So let's make a royal rug. I cut these fabrics into 7 cm wide strips. I do not need any special precision in cutting here. If somewhere is a little narrower or a little wider, it's okay. Then I arranged all the prepared fabrics, all the stripes by color. Now I need to sew them together. I will sew with short sides. I will be taking stripes from each pile in turn. I see that I have the most strips of burgundy fabric, so I will take it more often. Take 2 strips, short sides together, and lay a line on the sewing machine. Take the other end of one of them and lay the new strip on that end and stitch. This way you'll get a long garland of stripes. After we sewed off the stripes, we connected them into one but long tape. I fold this tape in half and bend the edges inward and sew. I cut the resulting long tape into strips about 60 cm long. And now I have to sew everything into one canvas. I will stitch with a zigzag stitch on a sewing machine. I set the zigzag width at 5 mm. The stitch length is 3 to 2.5 mm. And now I connect these 2 tapes. After all the tapes are paired, I sew 4 stripes at once. These 2 are connected and these 2 are connected as well. Here I am already sewing 8 strips at once. Of course, girls, you can do it all differently. Attach 1 strip at a time. But imagine every time to break the threads to start all over again. I don't want to do this anymore, so I connect all at once with large canvases. Alright, I did a little work without a camera. Firstly, when I finished, I smoothed the cuts. Secondly, I prepared the binding, which I will sew around the free edges. The strip is wide, we will fold it twice, and we will sew it on a sewing machine. The job's done! The rug turned out so multifunctional. You can use it in any room in your house and keep this technique for the next rug you'll sew. The most wonderful part is that I got rid of a huge amount of unnecessary fabrics. However, there is still something left. I will continue to work with those scraps later. Well, I hope you've enjoyed the idea and support me with likes and comments. Subscribe to the channel and see you in the next video.